I used to buy elegant clothes, but still had nothing to wear. So I stopped shopping for 90 days, not to punish myself, but to finally understand who I was and what elegance actually looked like on me. I spent 3 months in quiet discovery. No new purchases, no impulse trends, just clarity. My colors, my proportions, my true aesthetic. And when I started shopping again, I didn't just buy clothes. I built the most intentional, elegant wardrobe I've ever owned. I'm Elisa, and today I'll show you the exact process I followed, from self-discovery to capsule curation. And wait until you see tip number 8. It's the one thing that helped me and so many elegant women shop smarter than ever. Trust me, you'll want to share this one with a friend who keeps buying clothes, but still doesn't feel like herself. And I want to hear from you too. What's one piece you've bought recently that truly felt like you? All the links to my favorite elegant pieces are in the description below. Section 1. Why I hit pause. I had over 200 pieces and still felt like I had nothing to wear. I kept reaching for the same 15 outfits while the rest sat untouched. Some were expensive, some were trendy, most were beautiful. But deep down, none of them felt like me, was missing style identity. So I made a decision, not to shop for 90 days, not to spend, not to scroll, not to copy anyone. Instead, I went on a discovery, not of trends, but of myself. Before you can shop well, you have to know yourself. So I asked 3 life-changing questions. 1. What colors actually flatter me? 2. What silhouettes honor my shape? 3. And what is my true style identity, not what Instagram tells me? Because here's the truth. You cannot build a timeless wardrobe you love if you don't know what suits you. Section 2. Month 1. Color discovery. I started with color. For 30 days, I stood in front of natural light, holding up every shade in my closet. Beige, blush, olive, navy. Which ones made me glow? Which ones drained me? I took photos, videos, even compared how I looked in restaurants versus daylight. And the result shocked me. I realized I had dozens of expensive pieces that never looked right. Not because of fit or price, but because they weren't my colors. I discovered I'm autumn. Once I knew my palette, shopping became liberating. I stopped second-guessing. I started buying what I'd actually wear. Once I narrowed it down to my true color palette, creamy ivory, warm caramel, muted blush, sage green, everything started to make sense. I didn't hate my clothes. They simply weren't my colors. My wardrobe was full blue-based pinks. Beautiful? Yes, but not on me. So I removed everything that wasn't within my range. And suddenly, even my cheapest blouse looked more expensive because it looked like me. If you've ever stood in front of a full closet with nothing to wear, this video is for you. Subscribe for more elegance, styling, and soft power living. And if you see something you love today, I've linked every item in the description, so you can shop smarter too. Want to discover your color palette too? Let me know in the comments. What's one color that makes you feel instantly beautiful? Tell me in the comments. Section 3. Month 2. Body shape understanding. Next, I looked at my shape, not to judge it, but to honor it. I tried every silhouette in my closet. Cinched waists, wide-leg trousers, shift dresses, oversized blazers. And I documented what worked, not what was trending. I learned that structure gives me presence. High-waisted pants elongate my frame. Soft drapes feel romantic. Certain necklines transform my posture. I realized I'd been buying things for the fantasy version of myself, but when I shopped for the woman I am, my confidence doubled. Are you dressing for your shape or someone else's? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to help. Section 4. Month 3. Discovering my style identity. The final month, defining my style, I went inward. I stopped saving random Pinterest outfits and started asking, What pieces do I actually wear and feel good in? I noticed patterns. I loved clean lines, soft textures, neutral tones with one standout detail. My personal style isn't what I thought it was. It's classic, but with a twist. As that I don't always want to look like I'm coming from 1980s movie. Classic, but actual. I pulled out the 10 pieces I wore most often and asked, why do I love these? Then I built a private mood board. No influencers, no ads. Just quiet visual reflection. I realized I was drawn to clean lines, luxe, touchable fabrics, monochrome or tonal layering, soft structure, and one quiet statement in each outfit, like a dramatic collar or sculptural shoe. That was my formula. I didn't need to copy anything or anyone. I needed to define Elisa style. I called it quiet power elegance. And for the first time, I didn't feel lost walking into a store. I felt like I belonged. Now when I shop, I filter everything through this identity. If it doesn't align, I don't even try it on, and that changes everything. Section 5. How I shop now. After 90 days, I didn't go on a shopping spree. I made a list of intentional gaps in my wardrobe. Not trends, not TikTok must-haves, just elegant essentials I truly love and fits my style. For example, I realized I needed a structured coat, one that hits mid-thigh, other that is almost floor length, that flatters my shape and fits my palette. I researched 5 brands, tried 3 coats in person, and found the one. It wasn't just about the price tag, but quality and fit. I love coat that the perfect fit. It was the most aligned. Now I wear it weekly, and it completes dozens of outfits. Another favorite? A pair of white heels with gold accents from Valentino that feel like walking in quiet power. They go with everything, elevate me instantly, and I feel like myself in them. I also found few new go-to handbag, but one that I wear almost every day is my brown Birkin 30 that works from cafe to client meeting. Classic, clean, and functional. Not just because of the brand, but I truly love it. Links to all these are in the description. Also affordable options. Let me know which of these you'd love to try, and I'll send you some style ideas in the comments. Section 6. Change your lifestyle, change your style. One of the most powerful lessons I learned during this journey was this. Your wardrobe should reflect the life you actually live, and the life you're building. I had to stop buying outfits for fantasy lives I didn't lead. I don't work in a corporate office. I work from beautiful cafes, from home, and from cities I love as I travel very often. Here's what most people forget. Your lifestyle shapes your style. I changed my wardrobe by changing my life. Or maybe, I changed my life by dressing like the woman I wanted to become. I spend time in beautiful places, elegant cafes, hotel lounges, bookshops, galleries. So my outfits reflect that soft richness. I enjoy high-end experiences. I appreciate timeless beauty. So my wardrobe has to match that lifestyle. Ask yourself, do I work from home or in a formal office? Where do I spend my weekends? Nature, brunch, museum, lounge? What kind of woman am I becoming? And do my clothes help me step into her or shrink away from her? I'd love to know. What's one part of your lifestyle you want your wardrobe to reflect more clearly? Are you craving more freedom, more luxury, more calm? Let's talk about it in the comments. When you align your closet with your calendar, your desires, your personality, that's when your style finally feels real. Before your next purchase, pause and ask, does this outfit reflect my real life or a fantasy version of it? Because that's where true elegance begins. In truth, not performance. What's one change you could make to align your wardrobe with your lifestyle? Let's talk in the comments. I'm answering every single one. I love clothes, but I had to learn why I love them. I want to say this clearly. I love fashion. I love clothes. I love getting dressed. I'm not someone trying to look like I live in a 1950s fashion museum. I'll never be a minimalist. My job is style. I get joy from pairing textures, playing with silhouettes, discovering new brands, but I had to stop copying aesthetics that didn't honor my shape. I had to stop chasing looks that were never mine to begin with. Because even the most expensive outfit will look off if the woman wearing it doesn't feel like herself. Once I embraced my version of elegance, fashion became fun again, shopping became empowering again, and my closet, it finally started giving back to me instead of draining me. Section 8. What elegance means to me now. Elegance is not about being outdated. It's not about looking like a character from a period drama. Elegance is evolution. It's knowing what works for you today. It's buying that perfect coat because it fits your life now. I've linked all the pieces I truly love below, along with a few elegant options if you're on a budget. If this video helped you reconnect with your own style, subscribe. We're building wardrobes, but we're also rebuilding identity. Comment below, what's one piece you've bought recently that made you feel like the most elegant version of yourself? And if you're ready to shop with clarity, peace, and beauty again, you're already on the right path. You're not just buying clothes. You're becoming the woman who wears them with purpose. How my life changed, not just my wardrobe. The biggest shift wasn't just in my closet, it was in my confidence. I stopped second-guessing every outfit. I stopped overpacking for trips. I stopped comparing myself to influencers who didn't share my lifestyle or values. And I started showing up to my life with clarity. I say no faster now. I walk slower. I shop less, but love every purchase more. It's not about perfection. It's about alignment. When your wardrobe reflects who you truly are, you start walking through life like you belong in the room. That's elegance. That's soft power. And that's what I want for you too. Everything I've shared today is what I wish someone had told me before. So I've listed all my favorite pieces below. And let me ask you something. What piece in your closet makes you feel the most elegant right now? And why? Let's talk in the comments. The style mistake I kept repeating. I used to confuse beautiful with right for me. A coat could be stunning on someone else, but make me feel invisible. A trending blouse might flatter a magazine model, but made my shoulders look stiff, my waist undefined. The truth? I was buying pieces I admired, not pieces that aligned with who I was becoming. My 90-day pause gave me the silence to see the pattern. Elegance isn't just about what you wear, it's about why you choose it. And now, if it doesn't add to the woman I'm becoming, I don't add it to cart. The try-on rule that changed my confidence. I created a rule during my style reset. If I wouldn't want to be photographed in it from every angle, I don't buy it. Side view, walking shot, seated, natural light. The real test of elegance is how something moves with you. The results? 3 months ago. I felt overwhelmed, insecure, and unsure what was wrong. Now, I get dressed in less time and love all I wear. Every piece fits. Every color suits me. I wear more and feel like me again. Before, 200 plus pieces, impulse buys, closet anxiety, unused returns, shopping addiction guilt. After, curated pieces, signature style, true confidence, $0 wasted. As that now, I buy what I love and wear regularly. Joyful intentionality. Elegance isn't about owning the perfect wardrobe. It's about becoming the woman who wears it with peace. If you're ready to find your personal style and start building your dream wardrobe, I created this video for you. You don't need to stop shopping. You just need to start shopping with wisdom. I've linked the pieces I found after my 90-day journey, in case they help you too. And if this spoke to you, please subscribe. We talk about elegance, feminine power, and soft living every week. Comment below. Which of these phases are you in right now? Color discovery, shape clarity, or style identity? I'd love to walk this journey with you. If you're on your own soft power journey, subscribe. We're building wardrobes, but we're also rebuilding confidence. Because sometimes the most powerful thing a woman can wear is the peace of knowing exactly who she is and what fits her. I didn't stop shopping forever. I just stopped shopping blindly. And I've never been more confident in who I am or how I show up. If you're ready to rebuild your own wardrobe, start by asking better questions. Start by honoring who you really are. And then shop with joy, not confusion. You'll find all my favorite elegant essentials, capsule pieces, and tools I use daily linked below. And if you want help discovering your style identity, I have something coming soon just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and following on Instagram. We're building something beautiful together. Until next time, may your style reflect your essence, and may your wardrobe whisper who you really are.